Hi everyone, this creamy broccoli, cheese and pasta bake is so delicious and easy to make. Anyone can make it any time of the day. If you love pasta bake and broccoli and cheese, this is the dish for you. Please do enjoy this video and feel free to like, share, subscribe, to leave positive comment. Let me take you through the video now. So for my creamy pasta cheesy broccoli bake, I'll be using some 10 stem broccoli. Feel free to use whatever you have. Here I have some water, I have some salt in the water, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let the broccoli cook about al dente, and then I will remove them, put them on a separate plate, and then that same water we're gonna put our pasta in. I'll be using penny pasta for this. Feel free to use whatever pasta you love, and let me know in the comment what type of pasta you like to eat or use for your cheesy pasta bake. Here I'll be using some white onion, and I'm gonna fine dice them, and that's part of use for my bechamel sauce. So I'm gonna cut them as small as possible so that they can saute off in the pan. After cutting them up, I'm going to use a medium-sized frying pan. I'll be adding some oil of my choice. You can use olive oil or vegetable oil. What I'm going to do here, I'm cooking off my chicken for my creamy pasta bake. So in this pasta bake, I'll be using some boneless chicken. I'm seasoning the chicken with some all-purpose season, mixed with a little bit of chili. And I'll be cooking off my chicken, my cheesy, creamy pasta broccoli. So go ahead and saute it. Once the chicken is cooked, pull it out in a Pyrex dish and leave it aside. What we're gonna do after that, we're not gonna wash the pan, we're just gonna put the pan back on top of the stove, and then we're gonna put some butter in it. After the butter, we'll be adding our onion, and we're gonna work on our bechamel sauce or our creamy sauce. What I'm doing here now, I'm just seasoning my onion. I'll be adding about 2 teaspoons of flour to this. Grab yourself a whisk, and what I'm making here is what we call a roux. Now, a roux is a thickening agent for sauces and soup. After that, we're gonna pour some milk in. Ensure to keep stirring it to avoid any extra lump. What we're doing here now, we're trying to cook our gluten through. So what I'm doing now, I'm gonna pour back my chicken straight into the sauce. We're gonna gently stir the chicken, then we're gonna add our broccoli. We're gonna make sure stir our broccoli in properly to make sure it's evenly coated with our sauce. Next up, we're gonna add our pasta in, and I'm using penny pasta for this special recipe for our creamy chicken pasta broccoli bake. And this dish is very tasty. It's good for kids. I'll be adding some extra parmesan in this. Also, I'll be using some smoked cheddar in it. all that is personal preference. Get your desired dish and pour your pasta bake straight out in the dish. Make sure you spread it out evenly. And if this video of any value to you, ladies and gentlemen, please remember to like, share, do subscribe. Spread your cheese over it. A little bit of extra parmesan. And we're gonna put it straight in the oven. Once it come out the oven, you can let it relax a little bit before you cut into it. So this creamy pasta broccoli chicken bake is so delicious. I'm just gonna cut through into it just to let you see how delicious this is. Lovely, tasty, and creamy. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you do enjoy this video, and thanks for watching.